Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the English class. Today, in English literature, we will learn and understand the poem The Swing, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. This poem is about a small child's imagination who enjoys a simple act of swinging. Children, have you ever experienced a simple joy of swinging in a park? How do you feel? The poem describes the things that you all feel. For example, what would happen if I went really high on the swing? What would I see? And so on. The poem has 3 stanzas having 4 lines each. There are rhyming words at the end of every alternate line. For example, swing, thing, blue, do, etc. Now coming to the poem. First stanza. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. There is nothing else that brings a little child more pleasure than the freedom of flying on a swing. And this is what the child is expressing in these 4 lines, that for the child it is the pleasantest thing. Pleasantest means that it is the most joyful thing ever a child can do. Second stanza. Up in the air and over the wall till I can see so wide, river and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. In this stanza, the child describes how, when he is swinging at the highest heights, is able to see over the wall and the countryside beyond. What is countryside? Countryside is village or the place between a town and village. What the child can see? He can see the farmlands, farm animals grazing in the field, and a river flowing by. Third stanza. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. In this stanza, the child, as he swings up and comes back down, he sees the brown roof of his own home. The poet concludes with a happy note that the joy of swinging is going to continue in the mind of a child for a longer time as the swing goes up and down. So, dear children, hope you all understood the poem. You all have to learn and write this poem along with the name of the poem and the poet's name in your classwork notebook. This poem is for writing and would be asked in your exams. Children, we are going to do one more poem that is for recitation. You have to learn this poem by heart. The name of the poem is Five Little Brothers and it is written by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. 5 little brothers set out together to journey the livelong day. In a curious carriage, all made of leather, they hurried away, away. One big brother and 3 quite small, and one wee fellow, no size at all. The carriage was dark and none too roomy, and they could not move about. The 5 little brothers grew very gloomy, and the wee one began to pout. Till the biggest one whispered, "What do you say? Let's leave the carriage and run away." So out they scampered, the five together, and off and away they sped. When somebody found the carriage of leather, oh my, how she shook her head! It was her little boy's shoe, as everyone knows, and the five little brothers were five little toes. Thank you.